What it is, what's popping, what's good, family? Got a quick install, quick and easy video. There's a million of these videos already out on the YouTube space. Just ordered these MMX 80 millimeter throttle body. This one is the ported one, so originally it was the 74 millimeter, if I'm not mistaken, and it has been machine ported. Not completely flat, but it is a lot more space. I will show you guys a comparison. I'm in the middle of trying to get it old one taken off right now. Like I said, I'm not going to go through the whole install. There's a whole bunch of videos on how to install this. I'm actually looking at one right now just to make sure I'm not messing anything up. So I'll just show you guys the before and the after. I'll show some videos of me driving the car before. Just a small clip, but then I'll definitely show you guys the after, and if I see any benefits or anything like that. I had got these on there for $2.99 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, man, may do some something now, but I know it will allow more air to the motor. That's gonna give me some type of performance increase, and it wasn't that expensive. This is a car that I'm keeping. It is my daily, so anything I could do to make my day-to-day drive a little bit more enjoyable, definitely going to do it. All right, so let me do that and get right back to y'all. All right, guys, just to give you guys a quick update. I got all the connectors out. Zooming out a little bit. I got the Mopar intake pulled out a little bit, which I unscrewed it from down there. I'm not going to take the whole thing off. I don't think I need to, nor do I want to. Try to make this as quick and easy as possible. I'm about to unscrew the actual throttle body. I do have a Powerade throttle body spacer in there. Since this is basically the same thing, it should give me no issue. So about to do that right now. I'm gonna get right back to you guys. Progress update. Got the old 74 millimeter throttle body out. Just try to, so you guys can see the difference between the two. Looks basically the same. This is a OEM part, so this is not a aftermarket part. As you can see, the Daimler Chrysler logo right there, which is good. Yeah, man, just looking at everything, you do see where the lip, comparing the two, this one is thicker. I'm not a mechanic or anything like that, so I'm assuming, or scientist, so I'm assuming that thinner lip that's on the 78 versus the 74 should make a difference. How much? I don't know. I could have opted and get the Hemi 80 millimeter throttle body, but I would have to get a different coupler because the size are a little bit smaller on the V6. In all honesty, I'm not going to supercharge this car or anything like that. The one thing that I may do is get a tune. So I'm planning on getting a Jeep this year. So I'm not trying to put name. This is a V6. This is my daily. I'm just trying to have it run as efficiently as possible. And get the most out of it within a stock format. So here is the throttle body spacer by Powerade. It's kind of dirty. I mean, I had got this installed on the car back when I was living in Texas a long time with the Mopar intake. Do I feel a difference per se? I would say yes, but I'm so used to it now, so I would have to have done a review on it way back then, which I will be doing an update because I do have that video somewhere. Just haven't uploaded it yet. But I mean, any little thing about it, it was cheap, wasn't expensive, so why not? Here goes right there, the little sticker that they provided. So, like I said, looks the same. Let's flip this on the back. Other than this one being dirty and that one being clean, it's the same, man. Even some of the same little logos here, like it's the same thing. It's just that this one is ported 80 millimeters versus this one is not, which you can kind of see right here where it divots right there, versus this is a straight through. Does that affect it in a way? I mean, Obviously, if you go with the natural 80 millimeter, it might get a little bit better. But every little thing counts. I mean, the car has about 80,000 miles on it. So getting a new throttle body, why not, right? It's only good, so it can give me another, 50,000 miles or whatever. All right, so I'm about to throw this on and update you guys there. Here's the final look, though. Everything installed. Everything looks good. Everything is tight. There's some clean inside the throttle body and also the pipes here for the air intake. Kind of switched around my oil catch can. Everything looks good, man. I did start the car. No engine light, no nothing. Baby girl's doing good. So yeah, man, about to do a test run. So I'll holler at you guys. All right, my good people. Done with the install. Put everything together. Did some cleaning within the throttle body tunnel, and also the spacer. As you can hear, I'm driving the car now to make sure everything is A-OK. Kind of smell something burning. I don't know if that's the car or just the muffler. The car is all warmed up. I might get any check engine light. It's not overheating. I turned the AC off. I did a throttle relearn where you put the engine on. Press the pedal down really slow, bring it back up really slow, and then actually turn the engine on. I meant to put the engine, put the start menu on, not actually turn the car on. And after you do all those steps, and then turn it back on. It's picking up quicker. I feel like the throttle response is a little faster, but I did do the throttle respawn as well on the car, which I did do when I added the pedal commander. I'll say that was like a couple months ago. I do smell something burning though. I did check my engine oil. I don't know, when I was pulling it down, some of it fell on the actual body of the engine, which when the engine heats up is probably burning. That's probably the smell I'm smelling. But my temperature of the car itself is not going up. The car is not over idling at all. I do have high flow cats on the car, so I do get certain smells that you wouldn't ordinarily get. If you ever smelled a straight pipe car, it gives these emission smells that the catalytic converter kind of filters out. So I do get some of those. I think everything's okay. I think. I do go to work with it in the morning. I do have a 50-minute drive to work, and it's a combination of back roads and highway and a little bit of local. I guess we'll see then. But like I said, nothing is everything seemed cool. I'm gonna go back the other way because this way there's some lights. So we'll go through this roundabout. Let's come back around. So yeah, man, the install was very simple, not hard at all. You don't have to be a mechanic to put it on. Quick and easy. Guys, I think the throttle's a lot better. I feel like it picks up a lot quicker, but then again, I might just feeling that because I just did something, you know what I mean? So what I probably should have done is run it without the pedal commander. But then again, I'm so used to the pedal commander. If I took it off, then the gains probably wouldn't have been as much. Then I probably would have thought, all right, nothing has happened. So I think by having the pedal commander on will be the ideal, since I've been driving with that for the longest now, for the past, I would say 6 months or so. I think it picks up a lot quicker. Even my RPM line looks like it just goes up, shoots up a lot quicker, which the pedal commander does. It does help out with throttle response. That's the whole point of a pedal commander. Apparently, this is supposed to be a fuel efficient as well. I don't see how. If it's going to burn more fuel, but I don't know. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic. I just wanted the gain in the throttle response and a little bump in the horsepower. Just make my drive a little bit better. I do have the Tage on here so I could see with the horsepower, but I wasn't managing that before to see like my horsepower range. So if I were to pull it up right now to say, oh wow, we increased one now, so I wouldn't know unless you actually put on a dyno, which I didn't put on a dyno in the first place, so I wouldn't be able to tell all right the difference, other than looking up stock Dodge Challenger 3.6, what's the numbers. But again, I've done a lot of modifications both on this car, so my car wouldn't be stock. Sorry about that for talking. And I don't know if the pickup is in the high end or not necessarily in the low end, or if it's in the mid range. And I feel like in the high end, that's when I feel like it wants to take off. But I have cars in front of me, and I got errands to run today, so this has been proven that it does give some type of gain. Obviously, they wouldn't be selling any, especially us guys who have V6, and this is my daily. I could have got a V8. Definitely could have got a scat pack, but that gas, man, especially right now, gas is going up, especially back in 2015, like when I bought the car brand new, having a daily as a V6, I still wanted the aesthetics. I didn't want to drive a Honda or a Toyota, nothing against that, but I wanted that muscle car look. And for the horsepower that this gives me, man, like it's good enough. Like I'm not big on. I got into a really bad accident when I was younger, so ever since then, I'm not really big on racing anymore. So I just want that get up and go and just have fun with the car. Mine is paid off. I don't plan on getting rid of it until I would say maybe in my early 40s or mid 40s, and get something else. But I think that's it for the video, man. I would have done sport mode and all that extra stuff. I'll do that later. I do got some stuff, like I said, I gotta run some errands. But again, man, like, comment, and subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. Let's talk about it in the comments. Anybody who does have this mod, any gains or no gains, whatever, let's talk about it in the comments. But I think it's good.
I did get a $25 discount. So for $300, you know, $25 less. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I think it's worth it. I don't think it's a $300 waste, especially this car that I plan on keeping for another. I bought it brand new in 2015, so I would say at least by the time I'm 40, so that's probably another what, 4 years. I'll have this car, so at least another 5 years. I plan on having this car and probably trade it in for something else, or keep it. We'll see what time looks like at that time. So, but yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for joining. This video was on installing the MMX throttle body ported 80mm from the 74mm. So I hope this helped out. Give you some. There's a whole bunch of videos on this, so don't just look at mine. Look at some of the others out there, so you can kind of make your consistent decision. But I think it's worth it. But put God first in anything too. You know what it is. Like I said, holla.